guys, happy Saturday. I meant to start the weekend vlog last night, but didn't really get a chance. Ethan and I went downtown to see Casablanca with the Toronto Symphony Orchestra. So I took like a teeny tiny little clip with my phone, so I'll put that in now. But it was really fun, and I'd never seen the movie before. I've never seen the movie before, so like what a first way to see the movie, but I really liked it and would definitely watch it again. So we kind of just took the GO train down, and there was no point in showing anything because it was dark outside. Saw that and then headed home, and we got home around 11, went to bed at 11:30, and now it's Saturday morning. So it is a long weekend. Today we are building my parents' Ikea closet, so I will definitely show that. Tomorrow I don't really have any plans. I'd like to get some filming done, and I want to do a little something to my hair, which I will show you. And I think that's about it. And then Monday, I don't know, just home. I'd like to actually do something for my sticker shop because I have a new product that I want to figure out, put up, get ready to go. But I wanted to show you, I got an order from, actually first, I hope you guys had a good week. This week was a little crazy weather-wise. I had like a half snow day on Tuesday because it was really bad. I hope you guys had a good Valentine's Day. Let me know what you did. Ethan and I got sushi, and he set up a little table in our room and with one of my candles, and we ate sushi and watched Good Will Hunting on Netflix, which I'd never seen and really liked. And yeah, that's what we did. And okay, so I did placed an order last weekend from Well.ca, and I got some stuff. So you can actually, if you have a account, you can create a coupon code. Like, you don't have to be anyone special. And so what I did, oh, camera can't find me. So what my mom did is created a coupon code that then I got $10 off. So I will put a coupon code in here, and I'll put it in the description below. But again, you don't need to be anybody special to create your own, and use Ebates too, which I'll put my referral link below. But basically, if you're in Canada and you've seen the Target like popularity that is Kristen S products, you can get it at Well.ca. So I went a little crazy and I got the 1 1/4 inch curling iron, which I'd had my eye on for a while. I've wanted one with a clamp because right now I just use a wand. So I'm gonna try curling my hair with that tomorrow to see if I can do that. But like, the box is so pretty. Let me flip the camera to show you. Like, look at that. Like, that's crazy. So took it out, but so I'm very excited about that. And then I also got the rose gold temporary tint spray, which I'm going to try tomorrow. And this is from her like newer line, and it instant exfoliating scalp scrub, which I'm gonna try as well. But I would love to like buy her entire line, but even though it's somewhat affordable, I will be trying it like a little bit at a time. But so that's what I picked up, and I think I'm just gonna do like the bottom half of my hair, like not like bottom half, but underneath, just to see if I like it and what kind of shade it gets, because like based on your hair it looks a little bit different. So I'm gonna try that, but I'm excited for that because it's just temporary and just washes out. But I'm gonna stop talking, and yeah, I'm gonna have Mickey waffles for breakfast, which I will show you. Here's the before. There's Ethan. Hi. One piece is done. There's Ethan. And by done, I mean not really done. How many pieces are there? 5?
Yeah, 5.
5. Good job.
And to have more space there. It's up to you.
No, this is better because then I can get to the hanging part easier. So I just wasn't sure if it fixed.
Good morning, guys. It is just about 10 a.m. and I'm going to shower and then we're going to continue building Ikea furniture. Sorry I didn't vlog much yesterday. I wasn't really feeling like myself, so didn't really feel like picking up the camera, but try to share more today. I'm going to use the Kristen S products that I got, and I don't think I'm going to film today because I don't really have to, and I'm not quite feeling it, and I'd rather film when I'm feeling it than feeling forced to film, so I'll probably do that next weekend. But yeah, so here's a before. My hair's kind of messy because it was in a bun and in a ponytail yesterday, but let's see how this works. Okay, here's my wet hair. I did it underneath. Okay, hang on. I don't know. I feel like you can see it a tiny bit. I was wearing a pink shirt, but I don't know. I think we'll see. But it was pretty easy. It was harder trying to section my hair because I didn't want to do my whole head. And then the scrub felt really nice. It was just kind of like, it's very like solid and it was hard to like get my whole head, so. But we'll see. I'm excited to see how it turns out. Okay, so it is about, what time? 1:12. I'm going to have a nap. I'm not sure. I'm just really tired. I don't know like if I'm coming down with something or if I am just tired from assembling the closet yesterday. But, so, I'm gonna do that. And my hair is not very pink. Hang on. Oh, it's just gonna track my face. I don't know if you can see. Hang on. It's very, like, it is a little pink, but it's very, very faint. Like, it just kind of looks darker than my blonde pieces, so have to play around with that. Oh. I'll stand in front of the window where it can find me. But yeah, I'm gonna have a nap. Closet update. the purple on the wall is a little bit more subtle than it appears on camera. It looks very bold.
It's pretty bold in person.
It is, but... So 2 units are done. This one is... I don't even know if that's going to be easier or not. But... Ethan's been hard at work all day. You having fun?
Oh, yeah.
So much fun. Monday morning closet update. Oh, the rails are in. More shelves. Okay, attempt number 2. I don't know if you can see. Oh, well, you can't see me. Does that look a little bit more pink? Okay, now let's take down the rest of my hair. Oh, I think you can tell. Oh, that part's pink. Oh, hello. You can tell. I think you can tell more. Hey guys, sorry for not checking in today, but I feel like as this weekend has progressed, I've been feeling worse and worse, so, I don't know, like, my stomach is bugging me, my throat is, like, on the edge of being sore, my head is kind of sensitive, so, I don't know, but I'm gonna finish the weekend vlog for this weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was tiring working on a closet, but tried to relax today, like really didn't do much today. But so there was no Hawaii vlog on Monday. I think the last one will be going up this coming Monday. Wednesday's blog post is accessibility at Disneyland Park. So it just goes through the accessibility requirements for all the different rides. And then that's it for this week. So if you like this vlog, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.